Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required documents so you can submit a complete application without delays. Bring a valid photo ID and proof of ownership, title or bill of sale, because the office verifies legal ownership. Also include current insurance and emission or safety certificates when required. Missing these triggers rejection. Once done, complete the permit application form online or at the counter, filling every field clearly. Make sure to note fees and payment methods so you don't get turned away. You now proceed to the core submission step, entering accurate vehicle and personal data. If you apply online, upload scanned documents, otherwise present originals at the office. Pay the permit fee with the accepted method and obtain a receipt. This proves submission and starts processing. Make sure the VIN, make, model, and year match the title exactly to avoid delays. If an inspection is required, schedule it promptly. That inspection often dictates permit approval timing, so don't postpone it. You finish by collecting the issued permit or receiving it by mail. Verify names, VIN, and expiration dates immediately to prevent future problems. If processing stalls, contact the office with your receipt and application ID. Persistence moves files faster. Make sure fines and liens are cleared, because outstanding penalties often block permits. If the VIN or ownership info mismatches, request a correction using your original documents. This fixes most rejections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.